Welcome to the fascinating world of fabric creation. Today, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of how raw materials are transformed into the beautiful fabrics we use every day. It all begins with harvesting raw materials. Natural fibers like cotton, wool and silk are collected from plants and animals. For example, cotton is picked from cotton plants, wool is sheared from sheep, and silk is harvested from silkworm cocoons. Once harvested, these fibers need to be cleaned to remove impurities. Cotton fibers are ginned to separate seeds, wool is washed to remove grease and dirt, and silk threads are carefully unwound from cocoons. The cleaned fibers are then spun into yarn. This involves twisting the fibers together to create long, strong threads. Spinning can be done using traditional spinning wheels or modern industrial machines. Next, the yarn is woven or knitted into fabric. Weaving involves interlacing two sets of yarns at right angles on a loom, while knitting involves creating loops of yarn with needles. Both methods produce different types of fabric with unique textures and properties. The fabric is then dyed to add color. This can be done using natural dyes from plants and minerals or synthetic dyes. After dyeing, the fabric undergoes finishing processes like washing, stretching, and pressing to enhance its appearance and feel. Finally, the fabric is ready to be used in making clothes, home decor, and countless other products. From the fields and farms to the factories, the journey of fabric creation is a blend of tradition and technology, craftsmanship and innovation. And there you have it. The incredible journey of how raw materials are transformed into the fabrics that touch our lives every day. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.